Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine and in good health. Girls, today we will continue the lesson that we started on Monday. Interpret the remainder. Hello everyone. So, good afternoon, Kinda. Hello, Lara. So, girls, please bring your books. Open your books on page 210 to start the lesson and or to continue the lesson. We stopped on the last one, this problem. Let's solve this problem and find the quotient and the remainder. Excellent, Lana. Yes. Excellent, Kinda. Very good. Full mark. So, excellent. Yes, Kinda. Very good. So, girls, today we will talk about the same idea, how to interpret the quotient or the remainder, how to find the quotient and understand or deal with the remainder. So, open your books on page 210 and let's start. Students are driving to soccer games in vans. So I have students, they want to go to a soccer game, football game, and they will go with vans. Each van holds 9 students. Each van holds 9 students. Okay, girls, thank you so much. All of you, your marks excellent and very good. But now we will focus on the lesson. So please now forget the exam and please focus with me. This lesson is very important. So I have here students 31. This is the number of students, and they want to go with vans to a soccer game. Each van holds 9 students. That means each van, I can put 9 students in the van, in the one van. Okay? How many vans are needed for 31 students? If I have 31, I want to know the number of vans that I will use it to drive or to pick up those students to the soccer game. So let's start. First thing, I will divide 31 on 9 in each van. So if I have here 9 let's draw. You remember how to find it. If I have here 1 or those 9 vans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have those 9 vans. I want to divide the students on those 9 vans. As we learned when we use those contains to find the remainder. So let's find the number of students or the number of vans. I have to divide 31 on 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have to continue. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, but I have 31. That means I have 28, 29, 30, and 31. I have 4 students. I can divide those 4 students on those 9 groups. So we name those for what? As we learned last lesson, when we divide evenly on 9 groups, look, in each group I have 3. That means the quotient is 3. The quotient is 3 because we divide 31 as we learned. Girls, please focus. Then your answer is not correct, dear, and Sama also. Focus. Look, I divide here the numbers of students evenly, equals, okay? And I have 4 students remain left over with me. That means the quotient will be what? You remember I told you. You have to take a look at the number in each group. How many students in each group? I have 1, 2, 3. Very good, Lana, your answer is correct. Very good. I have 3 in each group. And the number left over with me is what? Is 4. And we name this number remained, right? R4. Right? This is how we learn to divide the number, the whole number on a 1-digit number. Okay, so that's mean I have 3 vans, okay? I want to know the number of vans. That's mean I will use 3 vans to take those students to the soccer game. But there is number left over with me. That's mean I have 4 students will stay without any van. Okay? That's mean I have 3 vans. Okay, girls? I have 3 vans. But I have 4 students left with me. So if I have 4 students left with me, that's mean I will keep those 4 students without any van and they will not go to the soccer game? No. So what I have to do, I know that the one van, I can put only 9 students in each one. And there is no seats to any more students. There is no seats. That means there is no chairs. There is no place to anyone else. Only 9. I can't put more. So what I have to do here? I have here 4 left over with me. That's mean I will bring one more van. Look, I will bring one more van, another one, and put those 4 in another van. Right? Because I can't leave those 4 students without any van and they have to go to the soccer. They want to go to the soccer game. That means I will bring another van and put those 4 students in one more van. That means the number of vans will be what? If I have 4 students and those 3 holds only 9 in each one, and I have one more, will take 4 vans, will take 4 students. That means what is the number of vans? 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means I will take 4 vans. Okay? Because I have 4 students left over with me, that means I will use 4 vans to carry 31 students. Okay, girls? You understand it? Now let's move to page. Okay, you finished? Just you have to write the answers in the missing number, in the missing places. If you want to draw something like this, it's up to you, girls, okay? It's up to you. You can draw something like this. If you return to this lesson, you will understand why we choose 4. Okay, now let's move to the next page, which is, okay, I will erase those. Okay, open page 211. Okay, girls, don't talk in Arabic, please, and don't talk to each other. Lama and Ghina. This is the last time I will talk with you. My voice is going and coming. Okay, girls, all of you seen something like this? Because Kinda told me that my voice is going and coming. Okay, now I want you to tell me, Kinda, if my voice now is good or not. Okay, girls, now open page 211 and let's solve this problem, okay? Actually, I enjoyed solve problems, okay? So, girls, now Olivia baked 53 mini loaves of banana bread. You know the banana bread is kinds of bread. We name this bread banana bread, but because this bread contained banana, so Olivia baked 53 mini loaves. Mini loaves, you know the loaves? This is the loaves. We eat these loaves. That's mean this is the piece of bread. You know the loaves of banana bread to be sliced for snacks at a craft fair. You know the craft fair? What that's mean? Because some one of you maybe will not know, or you don't know. Sorry, you don't know the craft fair. Thank you, Bisan. Thank you. Okay, Kinda, that's okay. That's okay. So, craft fair means something like handmade showrooms, okay? Handmade. Something do with your handmade. You know the handmade? I think in art class you did something like this. She will place an equal number of loaves in 6 different locations. So we have to divide 53 mini loaves on 6 different locations. How many loaves will be at each location? Now let's divide those 6 locations, and I want to divide 53 loaves on 6 location. Let's start, girls. 53, that's mean I will divide evenly, okay, to know the quotient. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I will continue. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, okay, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Look, I reached 48 and I have 53. That's mean I have 49, 40, oh sorry, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Those the number of loops left with me. Okay, girls? So I want to know the number that is left over with me? Yes, let's choose. Yes, Lana, could you please tell me how many, what is the quotient here? The quotient that I want to write it here. What I have to count? 8. Very good. It's 8, but R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, Lana. Thank you so much. So the quotient is the number of loops in each fair or in each location. If you count those, you will find that you have 8. That's mean it will be 8, as Lana said, and R what? R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R 5. That's mean this is the quotient. You remember yesterday, you remember on Monday, I told you that you have here this leader. We name this leader division leader. Okay, this line or leader line. The number that is under this line, we name it dividend. That's mean the dividend here is what? 53. We name this number, number that I want to divide 53 on it, we name it divisor. The answer for the division, we name it quotient. Okay, so here I will divide the loops, and each location will take 8 loops. What I have to do with the 5 left over with me? I will keep those with me? No. I will divide those pieces of banana bread, those 5 mini loops of banana bread, and I will cut those. Look. Just 1 minute, girls. Okay? I will cut those like this. Okay? And divide those on what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will divide all those loops on 5 or on 6 locations, but I have to divide those evenly. Okay, I have to divide those evenly. So that's mean I will divide the 5 banana bread that's left over with me. I have to divide them on 6 locations evenly. That's mean I will write it as a fraction, as we learned on the first example in this lesson. So you have to put what? Remainder over divisor. That's mean this one I can write it as a fraction. 5 divided 6, it will be 5 over 6. This is the little part that each one will take 5 over 6, 5 over 6, 5 over 6, 5 over 6. For this one also, and for this one. Each one will take this amount of the little bit. Okay? I will repeat, Duha. So each one will take what? 8 and what? A little bit of banana bread. This little bit equals 5 over 6. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. This is an explanation for you. Okay, girls? Now I will repeat. Girls, if I want to know the number of banana bread or the number of loops of banana bread that I want to divide it on 6 different locations. Okay? We divide as we learned, and each location will take what? 8 loops. There is a number of loops left over with me. 5 loops. I have 5 loops. Okay? To look, if you imagine these 5 loops, I want to divide those amount of bread. Okay? Yes, I know it's A and B, but this is the answer, dear. Okay? A and B, this is the steps that you have to follow to explain or to solve the problem. But this is the answer, dear. I want you now to focus on the idea, not on steps, those A and B. Okay? Girls, first thing, I have 5 loops left with me. I have 5 loops, but I want to divide those evenly. That's mean I have to divide those equal into 6 locations. As we learned, when you want to divide equal amount on 6 or on divisor, the amount or the equal amount will be what? As we learned in the first example, it will be remainder over what? Divisor. I told you the equal amount in the first example, it will be what? It will be remainder equal divisor, right? But if I want to understand why it's remainder equal remainder over divisor, because look, I have this amount of bread left with me, this amount, this 5 loaves. I want to divide it equal between 6 locations, so I will take those loaves and divide 5 on 6. Look, 5 divided 6 means 5 over what? 5 over 6. You remember, 5 divided 6 means 5 over 6. I can write it as a fraction. That's why I told you, you have to write it remainder, the remainder over the divisor. This is the equal amount that each location will take this amount. Each location will take this amount. That's mean more than 8, I will give each one 5 over 6. This one will take 5 over 6. And this one also. And this one also. Okay, just 1 minute. This one also. That's mean each location will take 8 and a little amount, okay, small amount of bread. This amount equals what? A divisor over remainder. That's mean 5 over 6. That's mean the amount of bread in each location will be 8 and 5 over 6. That's mean 8 loaves and small amount. Okay? You finish, girls? You finish? If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Okay, thank you all. Okay. Just write this this answer. Okay, this is the answer. 8 and 5 over 6. Okay, let's continue to number 2. Okay, in the same page. Okay, girls. Okay, I will not erase this. Okay, girls. What if Olivia wants to put only whole loaves? Okay, what if Olivia wants to put only whole loaves at each location? How many loaves will be at each location? Okay, look, girls, now if Olivia wants, okay, I will write this again. Okay. Okay, girls. Now, what if Olivia... Okay, I didn't erase anything, okay? Now, girls, what if Olivia wants to put a whole loop? What does that mean? Look, the remainder, which is 5, I cut it, you remember? I cut it like this. Okay, I cut it like this and divided it equal or evenly between the locations. But if Olivia If Olivia wants to put only whole loaves, that's mean I want to put the number of loaves, and I don't want to divide the loaves. That's mean I don't want to cut it. Okay, the loaves of bread, you know it. I don't want to cut it like this. I want to put it whole, like this. Okay, that's mean how many whole loaves will put. Look, this 5/6 is a piece of loaves. Piece like this, piece like this, or piece like this will be. Piece like this. Okay, it will be piece like this. That means it will not be a whole loaf. If Olivia said, please don't put a pieces, I want a whole loaves, that mean what? That mean I will erase this small pieces, which is 5/6, and the number of loaves in each location will be what? Count the number of loaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means the number of whole loaves in each location will be only 8, without any pieces. Okay, girls? The answer in this situation will be 8. In this situation, I have 8 loaves. Thank you very much, Kinda. That means I have to put here loaves. I'm sorry, I forget to put the unit here. 8 loaves. And before it, please write 8 and 5/6 loaves also. Put loaves next to the number. Loaves is the bread loaf. You know the bread loaf? I think you know it. So that means I will erase the 5/6, the little bit 1. Okay? Okay, girls? You write this. You write this answer. Welcome, Kinda. Thank you, dear. Thank you. So you write this answer, girls. I want you to answer me, please, on the chat. If you finish, please type 1. Just you have to write this. If you understand why we put only 8 loaves, you have to ask me also. No, don't draw anything. Just write this is the answer. Okay? This is the answer. Okay? You write it? Yes, this is the answer. Okay? Okay, thank you, Lana. I love you too. So you finish, girls? You finish? Okay. I think all of you finished. So let's move. Okay, but just I want you also here in the first one, in Olivia, the answer was 8 and 5/6. I want you to write loaves next to it. Okay? Okay, you remember in the exercise 1, it's 8 and 5/6. Please write loaves next to it. Okay? Okay. So now let's move to exercise the last one, number 3. We solve only 1, 2, and 3. If we have time, we will solve number 4. So let's see number 3. I want someone of you to read for me this problem. Who will read? Yes, Kinda, can you read for me this problem?
Yes, I can.
Yes, please.
It's ED grade
Ed.
22 small wooden animals to sell at the craft fair.
Yes.
He displays them in rows with 4 animals in a row. How many animals will not be in equal rows?
Okay, thank you so much, Kinda. So now we will talk about the same thing, the craft fair. Thank you. Thank you, girls. Thank you, Zen. Thank you, Rina. Thank you, Zena. Thank you, Arya. Okay, thank you all of you, dear. I'm sorry I can't follow all the chat. Okay. So, girls, let's read the next one. Add curves 22 small wooden animals. Okay? To sell at the craft fair. So, you know that the wooden animals, yeah, something like made with wood. That's mean it's not real animals. Okay. So add curves. What that's mean? Curves. That's mean made. That's mean a handmade. You know, craft fair. That's mean a handmade fair, a handmade showroom. That's mean he made those wooden animals. To sell at the craft fair, he displays them in rows. He will put them in rows. That's mean he will order those wooden animals with 4 animals in a row. In each row, he will put 4 animals. In each row, he will put 4 animals. How many animals will not be in equal rows? Okay, that's mean he will put it in a row like this, something like this. Okay, row. You know the row? That's mean he will order those curves. Okay, like this in a rows. He will order it. Okay, in each row he will put only 4 animals, something like this. He will put 4 animals, maybe rabbit, cow, and cat, dog. Okay, something like this. He will put another 4. Okay, like this. Maybe goat, bird, something like this. Okay, in each row he will put the rows and in each row you put 4 animals. Now I want to count the number of rows. I don't know the number of rows that I will use it. So if I want to know, I have to divide the 22 on 4. Okay, to know the number of rows. Let's divide as we learned. This is number 4 and I will divide 22 on it. Stop typing on the chat, girls, please. Thank you, all of you. And stop typing, please, on the chat. Focus with me, please. Let's divide. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And there is how many animals, how many wooden animals left with me? Girls, how many wooden animals left with me? I divide 20 animals in how many rows? The number of rows. The number of rows. Please focus with me, girls, now. Don't talk together. The number of rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will put 5 rows and there is remain with me what? 2 wooden animals. But this is not the answer for this problem. The answer for this problem, sorry. How many animals will be or will not be in equal rows? How many? I have left over with me 2. So the answer for this problem is 2. This is not the answer. This is the operation, the division. The answer for this is 2. That means there is 2 wooden animals left with me. I can divide those on equal rows. So the number of wooden animals left with me is 2. So I will divide those on 4 like this, or on 5 like this. Okay. 3, 4, like this, and this is 5. Look, if you count those, I will order 20 wooden animals like this in 5 rows, and there is 2 left with me. I will put it here at the end, so they are not in equal rows. They are not equal to those rows. They will be only 2. Okay? Okay, girls? Any question? You finished, girls? Did you finish, please? Did you finish? So this is your answer, number 2. Okay, girls. This is our lesson today. Don't forget to do the homework and send it for me, please, all of you. Don't forget to do the exam if you didn't before 10 p.m. and don't talk to your friend Lama, please, and have a nice weekend. See you inshallah on Sunday.